Hello, I'm Kerr. In this very short video, I want to tell you that I've just published my brand new online course on how to paint animal portraits in pastel. You will find a link to the course in the description below. You'll also find a link on my website. Many of my viewers have asked me for information about painting with pastels, so that inspired me to write this course. Let me tell you a little bit about it. We paint domestic animals, cats and dogs, and we also do wild animals, a wolf and a tiger. Some of the tutorials are in written form, as you can see in these 3 pages, and some of them are full-length videos filmed in real time with some edits. The videos have a full commentary, so you can see exactly what I'm doing, and you can see the different pastels that I'm using, whether they're hard pastels or soft pastels, and sometimes pastel pencils. I tell you my thoughts along the way, and you can see the painting gradually building up. I explain the difference between the different types of pastels, and I'll show you the different tools that you can use to enhance your painting. I show you different ways in which you can use your pastels, and I'll give you either a line drawing or a reference photograph for every single project. I show you the exact colours you need for each individual painting, and there are progressional photographs so you can see all the different stages, one by one. I introduce you to my unique 13-point plan for painting animals in pastels. This plan will work with any portrait that you do, whether you're painting an elephant or a mouse. There are also other free downloadable documents that will help you with your paintings. So, as you can see, a very comprehensive course. There's a link to it in the description below this video, and there's also a link to it on my website. If you've got the right materials and you follow my special plan, then you can get the most amazing results. Some of the students who used to come to my classes in my studio have now gone on to do their own commission work, and one lady has actually started doing classes herself, teaching people to work in pastels. How exciting is that? So, give it a go. What have you got to lose? Enjoy your painting, and I'll see you again soon. And always remember my motto: there is an artist in everyone. Goodbye for now.